வெல்கம் டு ஸ்ரீராம்சன் பிசிக்ஸ் பைலட். இந்த வீடியோஸ்ல நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடியது 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் யூனிட் 2 பிசிக்ஸ்ல ஆப்ஜெக்ட் லெசன். அதுல ஆன்சர் briefly and answer in detail. So first answer briefly. First question, what is refractive index? The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in a medium is defined as refractive index mu of that medium. So mu equal to C by V. Second question, state Snell's law. The ratio of the size of the angle of incidence and sine of the angle of refraction is equal to the ratio of refractive indices of the two media. This law is also known as second law of refraction. Sin I by sin R equal to mu2 by mu1. Third question, draw a ray diagram to show that the image formed by a convex lens when the object is placed between F and 2F. So F and 2F, the object AB should be placed and the image will be inverted and enlarged image A dash B dash. Fourth question, define dispersion of light. When a beam of white light or composite light is refracted through any transparent media such as glass or water, it is split into its components colors. This phenomenon is called as dispersion of light. Fifth question, state Rayleigh's law of scattering. The amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its wavelength. Amount of scattering S proportional to 1 by lambda power 4. Sixth question, differentiate convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens. A convex lens is thicker in the middle than at edges. Concave lens. A concave lens is thinner in the middle than at edges. Second point, convex lens. It is a converging lens. And concave lens, it is a diverging lens. Third point, convex lens. It produces mostly real images. Concave lens, it produces virtual images. Fourth point, convex lens. It is used to treat hypermetropia. Concave lens, it is used to treat myopia. Seventh question, what is power of accommodation of eye? The ability of the eye lens, that is the ability of the eye lens to focus nearby as well as the distant objects is called power of accommodation of the eye. Eighth question, what are the causes of myopia? Myopia is also known as short-sightedness, occurs due to the lengthening of the eyeball. With this defect, nearby objects can be seen clearly, but distant objects cannot be seen clearly. Ninth question, why does the sky appear in blue color? When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the blue color, that is shorter wavelength, is scattered to a greater extent than the red color, that is longer wavelength. This scattering causes the sky to appear in blue color. 10th question, Why are traffic signals red in color? The wavelength of red color is more than other colors. Red color will travel longer distance without scattering. Red color gets least scattered and reaches people. That's why red color are used in traffic signals. Next, answer in detail. First question, list any 5 properties of light. So properties of light, first point, light is a form of energy. Second point, light always travels along a straight line. Third point, light does not need any medium for its propagation. It can even travel through vacuum. Fourth point, the speed of light in vacuum or air is C will be equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Fifth point, different colored light has different wavelength and frequency. Second question, explain the rules for obtaining images formed by a convex lens or concave lens with the help of a ray diagram. So rule 1, when a ray of light strikes the convex or concave lens obliquely at its optic center, O, it continues to follow its path without any deviation. So it travels in a straight line without any deviation. So F1 and F2 in the case of both convex and concave. And rule 2, when rays parallel to the principal axis. So this is principal axis and the ray parallel. So when the rays parallel to the principal axis strikes a convex or concave lens, the refracted ray are converged to or appears to diverge from the principal focus. So it converged means a convex lens and it is appear to diverge means it is a concave lens. So converging lens in the case of convex and diverges in the case of concave. Third rule, when a ray passing through, that is convex lens, or directed towards the concave lens, the principal focus strikes a convex or concave lens, the refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. So the principal axis and the refracted ray both are parallel in the case of convex or concave lens. Third question, differentiate the eye defects, myopia and hypermetropia. So myopia, first point, myopia also known as short-sightedness occurs due to the lengthening of the eyeball. Hypermetropia is also known as long-sightedness, occurs due to shortening of the eyeball. Second point, myopia. With this defect, nearby objects can be seen clearly, but distant objects cannot be seen clearly. In the case of hypermetropia, second point, with this defect, distant objects can be seen clearly, but nearby objects cannot be seen clearly. Third point, in the case of myopia, the focal length of the eye lens is reduced, or the distance between the eye lens and retina increases. Third point, in the case of hypermetropia, the focal length of the eye lens is increased, or the distance between the eye lens and the retina decreases. So fourth point, in the case of myopia, the far point will not be able or will not be infinity for such eyes, and the far point has come closer. Fourth point, hypermetropia. So hence the near point will not be at 25 centimeter for such eyes, and the near point has moved further. Fifth point, myopia. Due to this, the image of distant objects is formed before the retina. Fifth point, hypermetropia. Due to this, the image of nearby objects is formed behind the retina. Sixth point, myopia. This defect can be corrected using concave lens. Hypermetropia, sixth point. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens. Fourth question. Explain the construction and working of a compound microscope. Construction. A compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. The lens with the shorter focal length is placed near the object and is called an objective lens or objective piece. The lens with larger focal length and larger aperture placed near the observer's eye is called as eye lens or eyepiece. Both the lenses are fixed in a narrow tube with adjustable profession. So diagram, objective lens and eye lens, both are placed in a tube. The object AB is placed at a distance slightly greater than the focal length of the objective lens, that is U greater than F0. A real, inverted and magnified image A', B' is formed at the other side of the objective lens. This image behaves like the object for the eye lens. The position of the eye lens is adjusted in such a way that the image A', B' falls within the principal focus of the eyepiece. This eyepiece forms a virtual, enlarged and erect image, that is A', B' on the same side of the object. A compound microscope has 50 to 200 times more magnification power than the simple microscope. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, feel free to contact our social network. We will meet in the next video. Thank you all.